temperatures pretty much remaining fairly seasonal, similar to yesterday. High temperature yesterday at Wallops was 75 degrees. Pax River was the warmest at 84 degrees. And then the coolest spots across the area were both at Ocean City and Dover, getting down to 65 degrees. Here at Wallops, we were at 69. Did have some precipitation across much of the area except for Ocean City yesterday. Newport News reporting 0.18 inches of rainfall, which is the most across the area here. Wallops only received a trace, and as of 9 a.m. this morning, we had foggy conditions or cloudy conditions across the area here at Wallops, 72 degrees with dense fog. Our upper air sounding from 12Z this morning, showing a southerly wind at 8 knots, and then having a rather benign wind field going up through the atmosphere, shifting more west to southwesterly, and we have our wind max at the 25,000 foot level at 21 knots. Freezing level this morning was at 14,300 feet. Current surface analysis from this morning still depicting a frontal boundary off to our south that is slowly pushing northward this morning. The front should be moving through our area later this morning, and with it we could see some chances for some light shower activity moving through the area later this morning into the early afternoon time frame. The front will continue to push northward today, and we'll have a upper level shortwave drop through the region and interact with this boundary, possibly producing another chance for showers, maybe even a thunderstorm later this afternoon and evening for today. So as we look at our forecast charts for today, the model chart not really depicting any chances for precipitation, but a pretty good chance that we will see a chance for some rainfall move through the area later this morning. The front pushing farther north as we go throughout the day today and into this evening. Upper level shortwave will interact with this boundary, possibly producing some scattered showers and a possible thunderstorm across the area later this evening to the early overnight hours. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, we'll have looks like will be another foggy start for us, as we'll have more southwesterly winds. However, with the front still being the predominant weather maker for us in terms of the added moisture over the region, you could still see the chance for some fairly dense fog develop for us tomorrow morning. Then it'll give way to a little bit of sunshine as we head throughout the day tomorrow, with a weak upper level ridge building across the area. We'll see a little bit more sunshine, and temperatures look to warm up into the upper 80s before a upper level trough begins to drop through the area, and we could see the chances for showers and possible thunderstorms move back into the area by the late afternoon and evening time frame for us on Friday. So as we look at the model chart, or the next 24 hours, you can see we do have chances for showers later this morning, mainly closer to 11 a.m. and heading into the early afternoon time frame prior to 2 p.m. this afternoon. We'll have a high temperature today, getting up to around 82 degrees with a southerly wind at about 7 to 12 knots, shifting more southwesterly as that front moves through the area. We'll get up to about 8 to 13 knots sustained. Low cloudiness will continue to remain throughout the local area here for the next several hours, and then later this afternoon, we should see those ceilings begin to lift to about 2,000 feet. That looks like it'll be mainly closer towards 4 o'clock this afternoon, and we'll have another chance for showers and a possible thunderstorm moving through the area, especially after 7 p.m. this evening, and that'll be about a 25% chance that we see a thunderstorm move through with the upper level energy that'll be interacting with the boundary. Overnight tonight, those shower chances and thunderstorms will diminish mainly just after midnight. Thunderstorm chances are pretty much going to be out here by 10 p.m. this evening. And then we'll look to see the low clouds roll back in, as well as the possibility that we could see some dense fog develop across the area again heading into tomorrow morning. We'll get down to a low of 71 degrees. For Friday, it will be partly sunny, hot, and humid with a chance of showers and thunderstorms during the late afternoon and evening. We'll get up to a high of 88 degrees. Then Friday night, overcast with a chance of showers and thunderstorms at a low of 72 degrees. And then for our day on Saturday, mostly cloudy, becoming overcast with rain likely and the chance of a thunderstorm. And we could possibly see rain being heavy at times with a high of 83 degrees. And this will all be thanks to the upper level trough that will be dropping over the area on Friday, pretty much remaining over the area, and a weak area of low pressure forming across the eastern shore, which will be responsible for the rainfall for us on Saturday as well as Sunday. As you can see on the 7-day forecast, it looks like a fairly unsettled weather pattern as we go throughout this weekend into early next week. We'll have each day pretty much running a chance for showers and possible thunderstorms. Saturday and Sunday look to have fairly, especially Saturday, fairly likely scenarios for rainfall. We'll have a cold front drop through the area Saturday, which will drop our temperatures down into the lower 70s for days on Sunday and Monday with chances for showers. Tuesday right now, depending on which model you're looking at, it will remain dry. So right now I've kept it under mostly cloudy skies on Tuesday with a high of 75 degrees. However, there are some model solutions showing the chance for another frontal system moving through the area at that time, possibly producing some shower activity. And then showers still lingering on Wednesday as we'll have another upper level trough digging in over the region, which could produce another chance for shower activity Wednesday and headed into the later portions of next week. Well, that'll conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you tomorrow morning at 8:15 for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.